Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily clean your TCL MoveAudio S200. So the only thing we need is ear cleaners, cotton sticks of course. For example, let me take here 3 of them, and for example this Temu cleaner. You can buy it for around 5 to 10 bucks. So it's very cheap and useful if you want to clean your tools, for example mouse, gaming mouse or some things. And at first we have to open this Temu cleaner, as you can see, and search for the right cleaning tool. Not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one. Let me, for example, take this one. As you can see, this little brush. Here we do have this alcohol, so of course remember to not drink it. And now we have to take both earbuds out of the case. The left and the right one. Now you can use your alcohol and as you can see, you have to use this brush, and here you have to brush your headphones exactly over here. Here and here. These are the most frequent things in your headphones that get dirty. Here, as you can see, and here and here. Fortunately, these are not the in-ear with the ear tips, so it's easier to clean. Of course, the dirt may be here, so with the same brush you can brush here, and the mic, which is here. And we have to do the same with this one. And the second one, of course. Very little movement, without strength. We have to be very careful and delicate. And as for the earbuds, that's it. Of course, we have to brush until you don't see the dirt inside. Mine are not dirty, so yeah. Here now we have to have our cotton sticks. Now we have to take the alcohol and do the same thing again on the cotton stick. And now we have to just clean here. Of course, very carefully. We can't use water, we have to use the alcohol, because alcohol won't damage our headphones. And we have to just clean it very carefully. We can, as you can see, put the stick in there. But remember to not use the strength here. You have to be very delicate when charging here, when cleaning here, when these charging ports are here. And I don't know why did I take 3 of them, because as you could see, only one was needed. Now let me take my brush again, and here we do have the USB port. We can brush it with the same brush over here. I don't really think that this USB port gets dirty that much, but if it does for you, you just have to make sure that it's clean. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.